blues, but not how it's gonna be. I'm heading back to the island, smell the salt air and rekindle some old memory. Like when we were rocking on water, we were breathing fresh air in our daddy's leaky dory, and I'm sticking to my stories, sure that's why we were late. I swear out there in the ocean, we didn't wanna be found when we were rocking on the water, making things a little hotter back in Newfoundland. Every day it's all work and no play. I just got my piece of the pie. Now that I realize it's just a big disguise, it's all just high in the sky. I know what it means, I'm gonna follow my dreams. Gonna pack my bags and then head on back to the island, back to the ocean, back to those memories again. Like when we were rocking on water, we were breathing fresh air in her daddy's leaky dory, and I'm sticking to my stories, sure that's why we're late. I swear out there in the ocean, we didn't wanna be found when we were rocking on the water, making things a little hotter back in Newfoundland. There, oh, there. Like when we were rocking on water, we were breathing fresh air in her daddy's leaky dory, and I'm speaking to my stories, sure that's why we're late. I swear out there in the ocean, we didn't wanna be found when we were rocking on the water, making things a little hotter back in Newfoundland. We were rocking on water, feeling fancy and free. We were living nice and easy, and it sounded a little cheesy, but it's alright.